arbitrationagreements.org. From homes to boardrooms, from small businesses to global corporations, disputes are a part of life. But when negotiation or mediation fails to resolve these disputes, there's another solution that's often used: arbitration. Today we will delve into what exactly an arbitration decision is. But before we begin, please press the subscribe button and tap the bell for notifications so you can keep up with crucial legal topics that can save your business a great deal of time and money. Now, arbitration is a form of alternative dispute resolution, or ADR. It's designed to avoid court proceedings. Instead of a judge or jury, an arbitrator or panel of arbitrators is appointed to hear and decide on a dispute. This leads us to the concept of an arbitration decision. An arbitration decision, also known as an arbitral award, is the final decision made by the arbitrator or arbitration panel. This decision settles the dispute between the parties and can be legally binding or non-binding depending on the agreed terms. It's typically in writing, detailing the arbitrator's findings, reasoning, and the award or remedy. Here's an interesting fact. According to a recent survey, over 90% of respondents prefer arbitration as their dispute resolution mechanism of choice. Why? Because they find it less formal, more flexible, and faster than traditional court proceedings. A binding arbitration decision has the same effect as a court judgment. If one party fails to comply, the other can enforce it in court. Conversely, non-binding arbitration allows parties to reject the decision and pursue a lawsuit if they so desire. In international contexts, the New York Convention of 1958 plays a crucial role. With over 160 countries as signatories, it facilitates the recognition and enforcement of foreign arbitral awards, providing certainty in international business transactions. This demonstrates the widespread reliance on arbitration in resolving business disputes. Remember, an arbitration decision is a potentially powerful tool for resolving disputes outside of the courts. As the world becomes more interconnected and business relationships more complex, the value of efficient and flexible dispute resolution mechanisms like arbitration only increases. Do you need more information about the basics of arbitration? If so, head on over to arbitrationagreements.org. That's where you can buy the service or program you need right away and begin the dispute resolution process quicker. Now, our association does not provide any legal advice, but give us a call if you or your business are considering opening a new account or case. Countless companies and individuals utilize our services to handle claims in a controlled manner through cost-effective solutions. If you're interested in doing that as a business, we are standing by. Successful companies depend on arbitration to save money. You're paying one service per case instead of experiencing the uncontrolled expenses of a standard lawsuit. That's the key reason why arbitration is so popular. Also, what do you think about arbitration? Does it sound like a potential solution to resolving a civil dispute? Please give us your opinion by leaving a comment below. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell for notifications so you can stay up to date about alternative dispute resolution solutions that can save you time and money.